If you've seen ads for the PuriBreeze device and wondered whether it's legit or just another online gimmick, let's break it down in a simple and honest way. PuriBreeze is a small, portable gadget that uses electrolysis to create microbubbles in water, and the idea is that these bubbles help clean fruits and vegetables by removing dirt and surface impurities. Now, on the surface, that sounds useful, especially if you're concerned about pesticides or bacteria on your food. But here's where things start to get a bit questionable. One of the main claims is that these microbubbles actively seek out contaminants. That might sound impressive, but it's actually misleading. Bubbles don't have any intelligence or targeting ability. What they can do is help loosen dirt a bit, similar to soaking or gently agitating water. But they don't specifically hunt down pesticides or bacteria. This kind of language is often used in ads to make a product seem more high-tech than it really is. Another big claim is that it gives you a 5-minute hands-free deep clean that works better than rinsing, soaking, or even using vegetable cleaning sprays. That's a huge statement, and honestly, it's not very realistic. Properly cleaning produce usually depends on multiple factors, like the type of fruit or vegetable, how it's handled, and even physical rubbing under running water. Expecting one device to outperform all traditional methods in just 5 minutes is a bit of an overpromise. Then there's the pricing. The same or very similar product can be found on wholesale sites for around $16, while it's being sold for nearly $100 on some websites. That's a big markup, and it strongly suggests a dropshipping model, where sellers buy cheap products from suppliers and resell them at a much higher price without adding much value. So is PuriBreeze legit or a scam? It might not be a complete scam since it probably does something basic, like agitating water, but the exaggerated claims and high markup are definitely red flags. It's better to stay cautious and not rely on it as a miracle solution.